Alright, let's talk about property fields. Property fields are text fields that show up for every single property record inside of Pebble. These property fields can be filled out manually by entering into each of these fields, whether they're a text, number, or dropdown, and a few other different fields, like checkboxes as well. They can also be filled out when you're importing your data from your list. This happens when you're creating a campaign. Now, each of these individual fields are referred to as property fields. Every section, we call them property field section. These property fields and property field sections can be edited straight from the property screen here. To do that, all you need to do is hit the gear icon, and you can see it will bring up the current property fields within the property field section you've selected. To add a field, simply hit Add Field, type in the name of the field, and the type of field it is, whether it's single line text, multi-line text, checkbox, date, number, currency, or dropdown. Once you've gone ahead and done so, you can leave the key field filled out to the default and go ahead and hit Save. Great. In order to reorder these fields, all you need to do is click and drag from the dots and reorder as needed. Finally, if you want to edit the sections, go ahead and hit All Sections up here. And here you can actually edit the section names, add new sections, as well as reorder sections. If you want to hop into a new section to edit the property fields in that section, all you need to do is click on it, and it will bring you right to that new property field section. Lastly, these property fields are also known as document placeholders, meaning whatever is filled out here can be merged onto any document with that property fields as a placeholder. So I'm going to show you by heading into Settings, where you're going to find your documents. I'm just going to pull up any document here. And you can see anywhere that it is a blue highlight represents a placeholder. Now, there are more placeholders than just the property fields, but you can find all your property fields by simply hitting Add Placeholders, then coming into Properties, and this is where all your placeholders live. In order to add it, simply click anywhere in the document, hit Add Placeholder, then select the property field placeholder as you please. And that means when you generate this document, and whatever is filled out in that specific property field will dynamically show up here where the placeholder is. And that's how you use property fields, edit property fields, and use them in documents as well.